Good evening. We are Team 2 and we'll be going over the business plan and analysis with recommendation for Bar SR Leather. My name is Destiny. I'll be going over the introduction section. This will include the mission statement and vision statement. Here it does state the mission statement for Bar SR Leather is here at Bar SR Leather, we are focused on bringing life back into a dying art by using techniques that have been used for centuries. Our hand-tooled full-grain leather not only provides durability, but also brings depth and life into this art piece. The vision statement states that Bar SR Leather will craft high-quality leather goods to enhance the businessman and cowboy alike by using age-old techniques. I'll also be going over the introduction for strategy and industry. Current strategy for Bar SR Leather is very social media driven. They do currently have a Facebook and Instagram page and have also attended craft shows in the surrounding cities. The current objective of Bar SR Leather is to focus on personalization and customization for high quality leather goods. And the current industries that they do operate in is the leather good industry, customized and personalized good industry, the customized leather good industry, and potentially luxury good industry. Page, we just want to give you guys a good idea of the current and potential marketing. As you can see on the left, we have Facebook and Instagram, and the potential marketing could be Twitter and YouTube. I will also be going over the customer analysis, including both the current and potential customers. As you can see, the current customers for Bar SR Leather is in the San Antonio area, including demographics of about 15% women between the ages of 25 to 45 and 85% men between the ages of 25 to 44. Looks like the interest of leather goods for hunting and work. The potential customer will also be in San Antonio, Texas. Because we do have a high disposable income here of about $784 a month as of April of 2017, based on statistics, this would be a good area to stay. The demographics include adults aging from 25 to 49. We do show a decline after 49 as far as the interest in luxury goods. And we also want to focus on women between the ages of 21 to 40 who have a higher interest in luxury goods. Now, Steve did mention going into business for starting a purse line, so this would be a good demographic to go ahead and focus on.
Let's look at market factors that affect Bar SR. In competition, there are two providers for similar service in San Antonio, so there's room for growth and there's room to increase market share. Suppliers had upper hand here because of the volume purchase, so they will always dominate quantity and price. Due to differentiation, Bar SR had advantage to create customer loyalty and also create emotional product. New businesses entering is difficult because of the technical and creative skill needed. There's no exact substitute, though there are close substitute, but differentiation can still make product unique. Let's look at SWOT analysis. What are the strengths? Bar SR has years of experience and creative skill in this sector. The weakness here is financial constraint, which is the same across all businesses. So Bar SR with good differentiation can still be able to create a competitive edge. Opportunities are great because the market value is huge and creating more new opportunity is a big potential. The threat is the same. There are competitors because there are two players in the market, so differentiation and brand loyalty is the only thing that can make the difference.
What is value chain? It is defined as a set of activities that a firm operating in a specific industry performs in order to deliver a valuable product or service for its customers. This figure shows a typical value chain model, which includes primary and secondary activities that could impact the profit margin. Some of the primary value chain activities that could be analyzed include inbound logistics, which is when leather from suppliers is received and stored, operations activities, which is when the leather is transformed into final products, outbound logistics, which is when the final products are distributed to customers, marketing and sales activities. These activities induce customers to purchase products, and finally, service activities, which maintain customer satisfaction.
Per the U.S. Department of Commerce North American Industry Classification System, most commonly known simply as NAICS code, Bar SR leather falls under code 316999, which is all other leather, goods, and allied product manufacturing. When considering businesses for lending products, most major community and commercial banks rely heavily on certain ratios before making a lending decision. Some of the most commonly used ratios when evaluating a manufacturing company include the current ratio, which is the company's ability to pay short-term and long-term obligations, the quick ratio, which is the company's ability to meet short-term financial liabilities, the inventory days ratio, that measures how many days the company holds its inventory, the tangible net worth ratio, which is the company's total tangible assets minus total liabilities, and finally, the percent profit before taxes ratio, which is the company's total income before deducting income tax. When compared to its peers, Bar SR Leather has the following ratios: a current ratio of 0.2 with industry median at 1.8, its inventory days at 183 with an industry median of 99 days, a day tangible net worth of 1 with industry median of 1.9, and finally, a percent profit before taxes of negative 5.8 with industry median at 12.8.
Our team recommends a long-term objective for Bar SR Leather to help promote the company's product and increase sales. The long-term objective will consist of a goal of how much they want to generate in sales for years 1, 2, and 3. It will also include a budget for each expense account for years 1, 2, and 3 to control all the cash flow going out. The recommended generic strategy direction for Bar SR Leather would be differentiated strategy because of the uniqueness that customers desire and for the quality of material that is used for each handcrafted product that would lead to many benefits for the company, such as customer growth and the awareness for their quality. Our team recommended product development as the business level strategy in order to increase sales. The focus will be on increasing inventory to produce more units to sell per year, tracking their budgets, and promoting their products with better marketing. The appendix shows the actual sales prices for each item. We will be using the average price of $133.32 as the sales price throughout the implementation plan, and the average cost of goods of $22.95. In year 1, there will be a total sales of $51,461. This total includes unsold finished goods of $1,461 from the prior year that will be sold at wholesale with no gross profit expected. You will sell approximately 375 items at $133.32. You can break this down into months. So every month for 12 months, you will have a goal to sell 31 items at $133.32. Your monthly sales need to be at least $4,166.67 or more. If you have generated this much in sales every month, then you are on the right path to reach $50,000 in sales. The same concept will be followed for year 2 in order to make $75,000 in sales and $150,000 in year 3. In year 1, the cost of goods sold consists of an average cost of goods of $22.95. Therefore, the total items sold was approximately 375 items times the $22.95, which gives you the cost of goods sold of $8,607. Every month, the cost of goods sold should be at least $717.26. If this amount increases, your total sales should increase as well. The same concept will follow for years 2 and 3. In year 1, you will have a profit margin of $41,392. In year 2, $62,089. And year 3, $124,178. In year 1, your expense budget will be $1,770 per month. This includes salaries expense, depreciation for the laser machine, advertising expense, and booth rental expense. You will have an expense budget for year 2 and for year 3. At the end of year 1, you will accomplish your goal of $50,000 in sales and receive a net income of $20,149. In year 2, a net income of $31,028. In year 3, a net income of $73,481. Your projected income statement will show your total sales and your total expenses for years 1, 2, and 3.
Your balance sheet for all 3 years will consist of everything you have invested in. Your statement of cash flows will track your cash coming in and your cash going out for years 1, 2, and 3. This graph shows your total sales for the years 1, 2, and 3 and your goal of $200,000.
It is clear Bar SR Leather has the potential to develop new products and attract new customers in order to increase sales. Our team has spent many hours researching existing processes, analyzing accounting and financial information, and assessing ways to improve the business so the company can reach its objectives in the near future. On behalf of the entire team, I would like to thank the owner of Bar SR Leather, Mr. Rendon, for taking time out of his busy schedule to meet with us. We feel confident our business plan will assist Mr. Rendon in reaching his long-term objectives and goals. Thank you.